All right, introduction to computers. We talked about the skills-based test, which is Wednesday in MH210A. And then Friday, we're going to meet down here to start with, and then we're going to go out and work on some spreadsheet stuff in the labs. Performance, we talked about key things in performance of any computing device. How much memory, virtual memory they have, cache memory, clock speed of that processor, and there's some other items involved, but those are, memory is key. We did talked about a lot of things on storage. We talked about hard drive storage, magnetic storage. We talked about internal or external. We have external hard drives we can connect via maybe USB or some other method, SATA hookup, and we can use those and move them between computers, or there is storage internal hard drive. And we'll talk more, we'll review that a little bit later on. Solid state storage, that idea of flash, which is extremely popular. USB ports, flash cards that you put in your camera and so forth. That kind of falls into that category. And then we talked about information stored using laser light to read magnetic spots on a CD or DVD. Optical storage, huge amounts in a small area, but that is not as fast to read as magnetic information on hard drive. And solid state is the best, but more expensive right now. Then mass storage. We store huge amounts of data, like Google we use as an example, the government, insurance companies, and so forth. And then we do data mining. We go into that mass amount of information and look for correlations. And we talked about a couple examples in class. How do we get information into the computer? We talked about input devices, keyboard, pointing device like a mouse, touchpad, touch screen. Touch screen extremely popular on tablets and smartphones and those type of devices. And we talked about scanning an image, a digital image, or scan a barcode like at a grocery store, or computers can actually read facial. And then we did a little demo on audio input, where you can talk to the computer and it responds to what you said. Then to finish up, we got started on spreadsheets. Spreadsheet, manage numbers, do calculations on numbers, and then do what-if analysis, which is extremely important in spreadsheets. We're going to look at some examples on Friday. Spreadsheets are made up of rolling columns where they cross. So row in a column is a cell, and in that cell we could either have a label or a value. A label, just labeling something, or a value, an actual number amount. And then that value, we can have a value can be determined from a formula that calculated the value, or from a constant where we actually typed the value in. And that's it for today.